Kezzie's Corner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia. I'm so happy that you found my channel and I hope you get to stay. And if you do, you can always subscribe to my channel and join my lovely subscribers, which I will be so appreciative. I would be grateful if you join my lovely family over here. Basically, if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then you can always press the notification bell, which will notify you every single time I post a video. So today's video is going to be about a autumn makeup tutorial look. I am so happy. I haven't done one like a proper makeup tutorial, like a voiceover, in kind of a bit, and I've missed it. And I said that, you know, I need to start doing this again. So basically I used one of the palettes from the Vault collection from Jaclyn Hill, and I used one called Ring the Alarm. So it's this one right here, and it has these lovely autumn fall shades. It has some pink shades as well, but I did not use those. So I love the palette. I just have a bit of difficulty with the shimmer shades sometimes. I find that they're not as pigmented as much as I want. In today's video, I used the yellow shade, the O camera, I think, on camera. The on camera shade was fine, but then yesterday when I used Lolly on my own off camera, it was kind of difficult to bring out that pigmentation as much as I hoped for, because it is kind of pigmented. I swatched it on my hand over here. It is pigmented. So it's just, I found it hard to apply it on the lid then. I don't know, can you comment down below on how I should apply shimmer shades from the Vault collection if you have any palettes? I would love to know. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I will join you guys in my next video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Bye guys!
Okay, so the first thing I do is I apply tape, and we're going to be taking the Ring the Alarm eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it has these beautiful shades, and I'm going to first start by applying the Catrice Eye Foundation Primer, and I'm going to be applying it all over my lids and blending it out with a beauty blender. And then to set it all up, we're going to be taking the Essence Camouflage 2-in-1 powder, and I'm just going to set that powder up. So the first shade we're going to be taking from the Ring the Alarm eyeshadow palette is called Rush. And I'm applying that using the eBay Fluffy Blending Brush. And basically I'm applying it all over my crease, and this is going to be our transition shade. So be sure to blend away and take your time with this. Don't need to rush. And to tap off the excess, because these powders are a little bit powdery as well. So there is a little bit of fallout, and that is why I'm doing my eye makeup first. And I also do this to make sure that I blended everything, because I have a bit of hooded eyes. Okay, so the next shade we're going to be taking is called Alert, and I'm applying that using my Milani Blending Brush, and I'm applying it a bit lower than the shade of before. So now we're going to be taking a shade called Mugshot, and I'm applying that with my Zoeva Luxe Soft Definer Brush. And I'm first applying it on the outer corner, and then I'm blending it inwards. And then I'm also going to be using the Milani Blending Brush to just blend all the shades together. Now I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, but with the shade called Secret. And again, I'm applying it on my outer corner, and then I'm just going to blend that inwards with this brush, the Zoeva Luxe Soft Definer Brush. And then I'm just going to blend everything again with my Milani Blending Brush, to just make sure that everything is blended away and there's no harsh edges. And now I'm damping an eBay flat brush with my Mina setting spray, and I'm going to be using the shade On Camera and applying that all over my lids, as you can see. I kind of went back into this shade back and forth to build up the pigmentation, because as I said, the shimmer shades I kind of have trouble with, and I don't see themselves to be as pigmented as I'd hoped. But with damping my brush and going in back and forth, I kind of love the finish effect nonetheless. And now I'm just going to blend away any harsh edges using the Milani Blending Brush. Okay, so now using the Essence Eyebrow Gel, I am basically filling in my brows. And I'm taking off the tape. And I'm going to be applying the Essence Make Me Brow to basically just set my brows into place. And for primer, I'm using the Revolution Pro Prime Oil and just applying that all over my face. It's funny, eh? I'm funny, yeah. And now I'm also going to be using the NYX Angel Veil Primer just to fill in my pores as well, to decrease the effect of my pores. Okay, so now for foundation today, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way foundation and applying that with my beauty blender. There you see me apply my beauty blender, apply my foundation with my beauty blender, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay, so now taking the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, I'm basically going to conceal under my eyes, on my nose and my cupid's bow and my chin, and just blending that away with my beauty blender, and I applied it also on my blemishes. So now I'm also going to be using the Essence 2-in-1 Highlight and Contouring Stick. I'm just going to contour my face basically, and just blend that away using my beauty blender. I'm also going to be taking my Primark PS Instagirl Rice Powder, and baking under my eyes and also under my chin to just define the contour, or so I hoped anyways. And then just fluffing it all off. Look at that. Wow, Kezia, wow. Beautiful. Never mind. Okay, so now taking the, wait one moment, nope, not that product, but we're going to be taking this one, which is called the Catrice High Glow Mineral Highlighter in the shade Light Infusion, and just applying that on my inner corner and my brow bone. And now I'm going to be taking the eyeliner, which is from Essence, which is the liquid eyeliner, and just, well, applying a liner, you know, an eyeliner. A very simple one, as simple as can be. And now I'm going to be taking the Wow Extra Long Deep Mascara to do my top lashes, and this was actually from my friend Dasha from Russia. So hi Dasha, if you're watching this, I miss you. And now we're going to be taking our fake lashes from Girls with Attitude in Fantasy and applying that using the Duo Adhesive. I struggled with this, I really did. The left eye didn't really want to come good, like Jesus Christ. Okay, now I'm taking the Essence Bronzer, Essence Light Up Your Face Luminizer palette, and then applying that same highlight we used before from Catrice to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, yeah. And then spritzing that everything with my Mina setting spray. And basically for my lips, I use the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in Stud. And those are all the products I use for this makeup tutorial. If you liked the look, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification bell button to notify you every single time I post a video. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!